Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another class. So in that class we're just gonna learn something awesome and something different, and that's really effective and really fun for you. If you learn this technique, that's really help you. And I know so as always my channel isn't growing up as all. So if you watching this video, please press the subscribe button and let's jump up the computer screen and let's do that. So in here we're just gonna learn how to say Shear Tools. You know, in here you see this cursor, and always I told you, if you see this cursor, that's mean in here is lot of option in here. So press in here, see this this cursor, this line cursor, just click in here, you see that. Today so you're gonna learn Retro tools and then scale tools and then reflect tools and the shear tools. Oh, that's too much. Okay, so in here you see that's a toolbar. So in here you see this toolbar. So when you click this cursor, so in here this below line, so you get this option. And also if you click in here, so it also give you this all the access in here, so you can use it easily. And so what to do, let's do that. So last class we learned about this Pathfinder tools rewrite. So please don't forget that. So I must obviously tell that please practice some practice. So practice make you perfect. So as always, I know. So in here this ellipse tools, I take this ellipse tools and then I just cart it, you know, this Pathfinder tools. So again, if you don't know this Pathfinder how to work, so go to Windows and then search the Pathfinder. So this is the Pathfinders, and I also have this Pathfinder so open in here. So then I'm just gonna cut it. So cut it and then ungroup it. So ungroup it. Wow, this shape, I don't like this shape, so make another one. So this one I think will be perfect. And then cut this in a Pathfinders, then ungroup it. So in here, so you see that. So first off, we have this retort option, you know, where in our selection toolbar we just work in there. When it's work like that, this retort tools works like that, we know that's before. But in here we have some cool and crazy options. So in here we can use this retort tools. So we just when you click it, so it will works like that. So we here you see this green. What is this? This is green or blue? I don't know. So just click it, and this taking is when the place you wanna just retort it, you just drag it, okay, and it will work like that. So this how. So when you press this so wait on a second. It will be rotate your object like this. So you just copy it, you just retort this object, and then this Control D. When you press the Control D, it will be curved like that, and this really boom, and this really easy and smooth. So I'm going to repeat it again. So first of all, what I do, first of all we just gonna take a shape, rectangle shape, then we just take this shape and then cut it just this way. Why not still like that? And always press the Alt when you just making a copy in front of copy. Just press the Alt, then cut in Pathfinders, then ungroup it, then just delete this option. So in here when you just click in the retort tools option, so just click in this object, you just wanna retort, just select it and select it, then click this retort tools, and this here, this line, this is the anchor point, this is the point. Just take it when you wanna copy and press Alt, again said that press Alt. When you press this Alt, that will copy this object in front of this. So press this Alt and this Control D, D for dolphin, So press like that, Ctrl D. When you just press Ctrl D, it will be just repeat your rotate part. So in that how you just make it make this nice thing and nice really cool option. So I think that's really help you, and this rotate tools I think that's really done. Now times about the scale tools. The scale tools short form is S. So how to scale tools work? This scale tools is like we will learn about the selection tools. So it's a same system like that, but you can use it like in here, but we have some cool tricks. So if you make it something one point perspective or anything, so this scale tools is really effective and helpful. So how to work? So first we have this object, so we can just copy it, Ctrl C copy, Ctrl F front. So then we just select this scale tools option. So when we scale tool option, so just this, you see this midpoint, we just resize this below parts, so make it color. So when you make it color, you can for better understand. So you see that this how we just make it, resize it and scale it in the perfect shape. It's a perfect shape like this. So I know that's not pretty much interesting, so let's something make cool and something awesome with this trick. So first we just take a line. So in this we have this black line, so we just Ctrl C, Ctrl F. So Ctrl F for the front copies, so make it white. So then just copy it, Ctrl D, press Ctrl D for this Ctrl D, just resize it. You see that? So in here we just make it a perfect shape. So I am just gonna share you one thing. I can use this something another tools, but I'm not using any tools. What I teach you, what I share with you, I'm gonna share with you step by step. So it's nothing so hard for you. So then make it color on this stroke. Just make something stroke line border. So then make it just group and select it, then object, expand. Just when you expand this convert into fill. So this is now group. So you see that, and just resize it. Send it back. Okay, so now just check this, it will be perfect and smoother for better result. So just make it perfect like this. So then just group it. When you group it, you just take this shape. So now turn this point how to scale tools work. So this scale tools is a select. So this is the point. So target 10 group. I don't know this what is there. So this in direction. So how it's gonna work. So make it like press the shift and then just make it little smaller than before you make. Then it will be, you see that, just again press the shift. So it will be make it shorter, and also press alter. So it will be copy. Again press the shift for this and make it shorter, and press alter on your keyboard. So you just get this boom like that. Then press this Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. So if you press like this, you this really awesome and amazing result. You see this, and then boom 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 boom. and this really this skeleton is tool is really fun, and I wish you today's you just gonna learn something awesome. Just so again I tell you so how to do that. So first you just make this line, so then just select all this object. So now when you select them, then scale tools, and when you select it is make it this mark point in middle. So this if this mark point in the middle, so it will be help to make it copy like in a perfect way. So then press the shift on your keyboard and just press alter. So then again I told that if this line gone, so this will not work. So press select to select, and then scale tools and press shift. When you press the shift, then alter. Again press shift fast and then make it little, and then press this alter. So then just click okay, then Control D for copy it. Control D. So again like that, Control D, don't forget that Control D. You see this? So this is the really boom and something is a really awesome techniques that's make you, and if you just make it group it and then copy it, and just if you just move like that. So this line to this line, so you see this you see you get this perfect line. So this is the 1 point perspective, so you can make it really easy thought. So this is really awesome technique. You make it this scale tools, and that's really fun and really good and useful tools in Adobe Illustrator. So then reflect tools come. So reflect tools is really same to like these we make in before. So it's like a reflect tool. So we have this one, this line. So just when you click like reflect, when you just command them, and where it's reflects, if you press this alter, so it will be copy. It's another position. So in how you can reflect in easily. So this is the thing, and this is how you can work. So and one left, so that is a what is that? Shear Tools. So I'm not using it all time, so I'm not so not comfortable with it. So then make it copy, press Ctrl D, then just make it resize. So next class I'm just gonna share with you how these tools work and this align tools work. So this when you align tools work like that, so it will really help you to make it aligns perfectly. It's a one click. So this is really helpful, but it will be in the next class. So then here now it's come about the Shear Tools. So when you just select everything and then Shear Tools, you see that you can drag it and make something really cool shape using like this, using it. Boom. So this shape, if you can make this shape is a really like in a cool way. So this really something really awesome. So you see that this really is like floor. You can, if you make something floor, you can make something like this, these tools. Group, make it group. So that's how you can just take it, and that's perspective angle. So you can make in this Shear Tools. I think guys you really enjoy this class, and that's really a lot informative. So I don't want to make this one so much bigger, so it's almost bigger. So let's see you next class. And you are watching this video still now, that's mean you watch this video until this end. So that's really helpful for you. And welcome to another next class. So bro, really needs your support to make this channel bigger. And if you think that's really helpful for you, and if you want to this tutorial help other people, so make this subscribe button, press the subscribe button. So that's really helpful for you.